So I just took Joshua on a 2-hour round trip to get something that he's been looking for a little while. Let me show you. A baby cow. Isn't he so cute?
Oh, baby cow.
Oh, baby cow. He is a Jersey Guernsey, 1 week old bull.
Baby cow.
Isn't he so cute? You want to pet him?
No.
Yeah?
He's like,
Look at the cat. There he is. He's hiding under the grapevines. Yeah, you see him. You see him. Go ahead, you can pet him. Isn't he so cute? Yeah, he's adorable. Look at him. Look at his cute little face. Hey, buddy. What you doing under there, huh? You hiding? Oh, Abby.
don't worry, Abigail.
Abigail.
Cat.
Is the cat still watching him? Look. Hey, the cat's still watching him over here.
Hey, the cow cam. You already know.
Hey, Abby, be careful.
Hey, little Moo now.
Little Moo's always watching. Isn't he so cute?
Yeah, that was a grapevine.
He's fine. He's not hurting anything. He's not eating anything. He's just hiding. Oh, baby cow. He's so cute. Under the grapevine. Look at him. He's hiding. Oh, John, let him go. He's hiding. That's so sad.
Go ahead, Abby. You can always just shift it.
He's hiding. Go ahead, Abby. You want to pet him? Go pet him. Oh, that's so sweet. All right, Joshua's getting him ready to take him over. Oh, baby. Oh, little guy. Hang on, I got him back here. Go ahead, get him. He's a feisty little one. Hang on. Here, I can come around his...
Hold him by his butt.
Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. I got him. I got him around the belly. Got him?
Nope.
At least if this one steps on you, it doesn't hurt. He's so tiny and cute. You gonna walk for him? He's been flopping when we put the halter on him, but maybe he'll walk this time. Maybe he wants to walk today. Oh, Charger, be nice. Be nice. He's walking for you right now.
Oh, okay.
Oh, Roxy's in the window of the house watching the cow. The cow was up on our stairs and she was crying at him too. It was pretty funny.
Oh.
Watch the
The
hooves.
mud. Now that one grass is good.
He's running now. He's ready to meet his new family.
He's
He's
scared
like-
of Abby, look.
Oh, is it Abby?
Yep.
Abby's keeping him in line. He's a baby. Yeah, he's a baby. Oh, look at Mary. Marigold's like, do not bring that over here. Look at him trotting. He's so cute. Look at Marigold. Oh, they're all worked up. Look at how cute.
Hey, Abby.
Abby, let them get introduced. Oh, you guys like him? He's gonna be your new friend.
Danny.
Oh, that's so sweet, Mary. Oh, guys, you guys are all so sweet.
Look, he's going to Mary's udder.
You gonna mama him? First bottle. He's doing really good. He didn't take to Mary yet, but we won't give up. Look at all the fun. You're the mama. He's gonna headbutt you.
Yeah.
And they can be violent little guys.
Even though he's getting a good stream of milk, he's still got a headbutt.
Did you decide on a name, Josh?
I think we're gonna name him Java.
Java, like coffee. You named Coffee?
He does your kid.
It
He'll
looks like
get dark.
coffee with cream.
He'll get darker too.
He does look like coffee.
ASMR. Maybe he just didn't like Joshua doing it.
He's like,
I tilted his head up.
Oh.
So it went.
He
right.
wants to go under like an udder.
That's what. Yeah, that's what I.
You gotta go down to his level.
I lifted his head down and up.
Wow, look at him go.
He's got a good appetite. Oh my goodness. I'm not allowed to talk.
Yeah, can I try that?
I don't think you should mess with it. I think you should let him get his milk in.
Let him. Oh, you could try it tomorrow morning.
Was that a half a gallon?
It's 4 pints.
Hey, watch it as it's getting closer to the line.
I see. Yeah, you gotta take it away as soon as it.
Well, you might want to cut it off before.
I got the first feeding.
That was mine.
Have we seen him pee or poop yet?
Yes,
Yeah.
many times.
Okay, good.
In the van, especially.
You all done?
Tilt.
I know.
Just do it upside down. He can reach his head under. Yes, go high and.
Oh, he's hungry.
He was hungry. It was a stressful day.
Does he still have his umbilical on?
Yeah, he does.
Okay, we gotta keep an eye on that, okay? Might need to put iodine on that.
He's a stubborn little guy.
Not falling asleep there.
No, he flops because he doesn't want to be drug in.
Oh, he's falling asleep right there.
Oh yeah, I'm a little baby.
Come on.
There he goes.
Are you gonna push?
Y'all will be happy to know that once we brought him back, he's stayed here since then, so he has not left the rest of the cows. Joshua did go over a couple times that night just to make sure everything was going okay. We were a little bit concerned when we first took him over with Chase because Chase seemed to be all over him and he wouldn't leave him alone, but they seemed to work it out. The other cows were all very, very sweet. They were all licking him and loving on him, and they didn't seem bothered by him at all. So we felt comfortable leaving him over there with all of the cows. Even little Moo, who would be the most aggressive one towards a baby, most likely, he was great with him. He was cleaning his umbilical cord and taking care of him. He was being a good daddy to him. So we were very comfortable leaving him over there the rest of the night. And I'm doing this voiceover as of the next day, so we haven't even had him for 24 hours. And if you're seeing this video right after it's posted, so I'm posting it on June the 13th, 2025. And if you guys are watching this, we are going live tonight at 6 p.m. Central Standard Time. Feel free to join us. We're going to milk Marigold and we're going to bottle feed the baby. So if you guys want to see all of that, make sure you join us. I don't have it scheduled, so I can't link it for you, but you can join us around that time. But so far, they've been doing very well together. He's had no problem taking a bottle, even though we weren't able to get Marigold to allow him to nurse. We are able to milk her and then just give him her milk in a bottle, which is totally fine too. So we've had him on a bottle and he's taking the bottle very, very well right now. And all of the cows are happy with having him over there. So if you guys want more updates, join us on the live tonight. We'll also continue to post more videos and shorts for you all of Java, the baby bull cows updates. And just so you guys are aware, this is Joshua's cow. He's been looking for a bottle calf for a little while now. His plan is to raise it and then sell it for butchering for other people. So he'll sell the cow at its butchering date so that other people can have the meat. And I believe, I don't know if I mentioned, but he is a Jersey Guernsey cow. And we believe, they said he was under a week. We believe him to be maybe a few days old. And he was with his mom prior to coming to us. So he did get her colostrum and milk until he got here. And we're happy to have Marigold to give him that milk so that we're not feeding him that calf replacer that they sell. Even though that is great if that's your only option, it is not the best for the calves. So we're very happy to have Marigold who can supply us with enough milk for this little guy and us as well. So if you guys want to stay tuned for updates, make sure you guys like this video, leave a comment down below, let us know what you think, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Bye!